Hi friends, don't wait for motivation to come, create it yourself. A hydrometer is made of a glass tube with a cross-sectional area of 2.5 centimeters squared and weighted at the bottom. The tube has a height of 30 centimeters and a mass of 50 grams. How far from the end of the tube should the scale 1 be marked? A hydrometer is a device used to measure the density of a solution. The number 1 on a hydrometer indicates 1 gram per cubic centimeter. That is the density of water. So, to calibrate the hydrometer we use water. Just dip the hydrometer into the water. After a while the tube will float. The scale should be parallel to the surface of the water. This is scale 1. In other words, when the surface of the solution is parallel to the number 1, it is certain that the solution is water. Then how to measure the scale 1 from the top end of the hydrometer? An object is in equilibrium when the resultant force acting on it is 0. Let's identify some forces. A hydrometer is an object with mass. Objects with mass are attracted to the center of the Earth. Objects immersed in a fluid experience an upward buoyant force. The direction of these two forces is opposite to each other. Assuming the upward direction is positive, the density of the fluid times the volume of the hydrometer immersed in water times the acceleration due to gravity minus the force of gravity equals 0. Move the weight to the right. It seems this value can be crossed out. The hydrometer is cylindrical. The volume of a cylinder is the area of the base times the height. This height is the length of the hydrometer immersed in the water. If the length of the hydrometer is L, and the height of the hydrometer protruding above the water surface is x, then the height of the hydrometer immersed is L minus x. Now, we can look at some of the values listed on the test sheet. The density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. The area of the base of the hydrometer is 2.5 square centimeters. The length of the hydrometer is 30 centimeters. The mass of the hydrometer is 50 grams. A little calculation. X equals 10 centimeters. So, the scale 1 can be measured 1 centimeter from the top of the hydrometer. Happy learning everyone!